या पाण्यानं तर तहान जाणार नाही विहिरीच्या. हो का? हो. कारण विहिरीचं पाणी पिऊन नाही लागेल ना, पित्त लागते. नळाचं पाणी पिल्यावर आम्हाला कसं आता तोंडी बसून गेलं तर आम्हाला थोडंच वाटते ते पाणी. आता नळाचं पाणी कुठेही पिण्यात आलं ना तर तिथं पावडरचा वास येतो. रुद्र झाला नाश्ता? हो आहे ना बाळा.
Yes, you people meet yourself. Yes, meet yourself, all of you. Meet yourself. Getting more wise. Huh? Meet yourself. Huh? We'll wait 2 more minutes. Okay. Let's join some other people. Then we'll continue. Okay.
Sir, you should start now.
Yes. Yes, good morning to all of you. Shall we start now? Yes, respond. You people are not responding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll start. So in the previous class, we have seen what is the CSS. Okay, CSS stands for Crystal Cascading Style Sheets. The use of this CSS is what? It gives extra features to the HTML.
It gives a colorful background to the HTML.
Extra features to the HTML. It makes your website a beautiful. It looks very nice. So that is the beautiness of CSS. When CSS is added into the HTML, then your output looks very nice. Everybody should appreciate. So your output, like a designing, coloring, or a graphics, you can everything you can insert in that. So that is why CSS is most important for websites. So CSS, HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, all these types of languages are there, but all these languages are web designing only, especially for web designing purpose. Now we'll see the small. In the previous class, I have told you about what we mean by CSS, stands for CSS, used for CSS, all those things. And I told you the syntax of CSS. Yes? Anybody can tell me that what is the syntax of CSS? How many parts are there in the syntax? Anybody else? Anybody else? What is the syntax of CSS? How does it look like? Anybody? Yes, Prathamesh. What is the syntax of CSS? What is the syntax of CSS? Anybody else? How does it looks like? Anybody can answer?
Yes, sir.
How does it look like syntax for CSS? Okay.
Sir, in the syntax of CSS, there will be the property value declaration, selector.
Yes, selector is there. Okay. So I'll show you once again that syntax. Then we'll move to the programming. CSS. CSS syntax we have previous class we have seen. One selector is there. Okay. Selector, then open the brace, close the brace. Then this is whatever you will write here in between this is called declaration.
Declaration will be there.
Declaration. Declaration block or bug. We can say block.
Yes, sir.
BLOCK. Okay, declaration block. So here is what is there. For example, I'll give this one color colon red, color colon red. Then this should be red, should be in a double quote. We can say this one. This color is a property. This red is a value. Property.
Value.
Property.
Red is a value.
Red is a value. So this is the simple syntax you need to remember always. Okay. This is what? Value.
Yes, sir.
So this, for example, if you want to write like this in the example, in a proper way, for example, H1 is a selector. Open the brace, close the brace. We can give, here is something, what is that? We can give color.
Color.
Color equals to red. Red, double quote. So this is the real example. So the selector is a any types of tag. Tag is called what? Selector. So this is the tag. You need to remember always all tags we can call it as a selector. Then all these attributes and values we call it as a declaration block or declaration block. This is a property. This attribute we call it as a property. This value we call it as a, the value we call it as a red, we call it as a value. So that is the thing. So these things you need to remember. Now we'll move to the programming. Already I told you the previous level program. We'll move to the next program today. Now, so there are some CSS selectors are there. CSS selectors. CSS selectors. Selectors are there. So these selectors are most important. Selectors means all types of tags only. Selectors means what? Tags, HTML tags. So these tags, how to use, that is the most important. How to use all these tags. So there are 5 types of selectors are there. Okay, I'll show you the selectors, then we'll move to the one by one. Okay. I'll share with you all these selectors. Is it visible to you, this window? CSS selectors. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible to you? Selectors are visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
CSS selector.
Yes, sir.
So selector is used to select the content you want to style. Selectors are the part of CSS rule set. CSS selectors select the HTML elements according to its ID, class, type, attribute, etc. So there are several different types of selectors in CSS. At present, we'll see 5. CSS element selector, CSS ID selector, CSS class selector, CSS universal selector, CSS group selector. So these are all things are there. So first thing we have to see, first one, element selector. What do you mean by element? Anybody can answer? What do you mean by element? Element means what in the HTML? Anybody can answer to me? What do you mean by element? What do you mean by element? Anybody can answer? Yes.
Sir, the data which is used in the HTML program, that is in between the two header tag.
Yes, yes, yes. That is called element. Whatever data you are specifying between, I'll share with you people. You are not answering. Only one is answering. Others are simply okay. So elements in the HTML, there are mainly three things are there: attributes, elements, tags. Okay. In HTML, three things are there. We can call it as this one: building blocks of HTML. They may ask this question. I didn't given in the first assignment. What are the buildings of HTML? Okay, explain the building blocks of HTML. Most important question this one. Okay, explain what are the building blocks of HTML programming. So under this, first one comes tags. You know what in way tags. Okay, then element, first one, second one, elements. Most important, basic fundamentals. These are all things. Elements. Third one, attributes. The most important question. This one. If we go any interview, they will ask. Attributes. So these are the building blocks. Building blocks of
HTML code.
Okay. So they will ask in the examination that question. What are the building blocks of HTML? Explain with an example. So that is why. So you need this is the what is a tag? Tag you know. Okay. What do you mean by HTML tags are there? Tag is to specify. Tag is a what? Particular. Tag gives a particular name for HTML.
Name to the HTML. That is
Name, particular name. Okay. Particular name it specifies what is the name of the tag. Based on the name of the tag, suppose H1 is a name. It specifies heading tag. It pixel size is 32. You remember all these things. PX pixel.
Yes,
Okay? That is the name. Element means between the tags. Between whatever tag you have.
Sir, H2 will be 28 na? Sir, H2 size will be 28 na?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So for example, this is H1. H1 tag is open, H1 tag. In between this, whatever you write, in between this tag, whatever you write, that is called elements. That is called what? Elements. Between this open tag, closing tag of H1, whatever you write, that is called elements. So this is element. Then attributes, what is the attribute? What do you mean by attribute? Attributes is specified within the tag H1 space some tag href we have seen href. Yes or no? Attribute gives extra attributes gives extra information to the tag. Some signal problem is there. I'll rectify that. Where we are now, attributes are there. Attributes gives extra information to the tags. You remember this one. I'm not writing all the things. Attributes gives extra information. For example, href, h1, href. Giving something, some name you are giving here, then closing this h1 is like this. So this attribute is within the tag is there. Okay, so within the tag this gives an extra information. So these are the building blocks. First one tags, second one elements, third one attributes. They will ask 6 to 7 marks this question. Carefully observe this one. Now we'll move to these elements. So element tag, what we do? What we do with the elements? Selectors, first one elements. So in the elements, wherever you want to keep elements, you can keep in the paragraph. Suppose in the paragraph elements, P for paragraph. You know very well. P for paragraph. Close the paragraph. So these are the what? Elements. Some data is written here. Some information. 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 This information is called what? Element. So this element, by using CSS, you can keep for this data different style, different color. You can arrange this information in the page center or right side, or this one center, left side, right side. Wherever you want, you can keep this information in the page document. For example, I'll show you. So this is the page. Yes, sir. This is the page. In this page, your information, your data, wherever you want to keep right side, you can keep here. If you want to keep your data in the center, you can keep it. You want to keep here left side, left, or bottom, you can keep it whatever you want. So you can drag your data without you. For example, in the WordPad, what we are doing, you are copying, pasting somewhere else, corner, left, top, below, or else pressing enter. Not so in this programming, not like that. Once you write the program, if suppose you want to keep your data in the center, your data will be center. Suppose you want left side, right side, that you will see that small program now. Okay, are you connected, all people? Yes. Are you listening? Yes, offering.
Yes, sir.
Connected. Next, Aishwarya Bisane, are you connected? Aishwarya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move to the program, simple program. Okay. I'll share with you people program. Yes, this program is visible to you, all of you. This program is visible to you, all of you.
No, sir. No, sir.
I'll share it once again.
No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Visible?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Okay, now, okay, right. Okay, so you see this is a common tag, you know very well. Okay, why it is HTML standard here means doc type is specified. I told you in the previous itself. CSS programming is embedded within the HTML. It is not separate. If you want to write CSS program, you can write separate, but later on you link that program within the HTML. Are you clear? So that is why we are specifying doc type is a HTML only. Now this is HTML body. This is common thing you know. When style appears, immediately you have to be recognized. This style tag is there in CSS only, not in HTML. Getting? When style code is appears in the program, immediately you have to be understand CSS is embedded with the HTML. That is, in that way you have to come. Immediately you have to get in your mind. When CSS style tag is appears, you should understand, yes, this code is combination of HTML as well as CSS. In that way you have to come. Now I told you previously, what is this? Selector. P is what? P is what?
Paragraph.
Paragraph. Suppose if you come to in the CSS tag, P is what? P is a what? P is
Paragraph.
a paragraph. It is a selector. That you remember. P is a paragraph. It is a selector. Then open the brace. This is a block. So in the block, whatever you want, you can mention. Here is what? Text align center. Whatever you specify in the paragraph here, suppose I'll write here, welcome you people. Getting? So whatever you specify, the text will come into the center, means center will come. Suppose you want to change here, left, you can change right, you can change top, you can change bottom. Are you getting my point, all of you? Simple modification. Here is center is there, you can keep center, you can keep left, you can keep right, you can keep bottom, you can keep, that is the thing. So whatever you write this text between this, welcome you people to Nagpur. Okay, just this is a text. 2 paragraphs are there here. How many paragraphs are there here? 3 paragraphs are there. Yes, this three paragraphs text are there. So this paragraph text, whatever is there, these 3 paragraphs text become a center. This one, this style will be applied on every paragraph. That means add here id para, welcome you people, then paragraph P is open, P is closed, Nagpur. So that means whatever you write in the style, between the style tag paragraph. So for that data, it will be there center. For that data, it will be there. Color is blue is there. Suppose you want to keep whatever color you want to keep, you can create like a green color. I will keep green color. You want to keep blue, you can keep blue also, green. Okay. So these are the colors. Now you know very well how to execute the similar procedure. Save as. I'll keep this program desktop. File name is always in small letters. Okay. CSS. I'll keep it CSS center. CENTER center dot HTML. You can use dot HTML. CSS center dot HTML file name. Then I have saved this file on desktop. I'll go to on desktop, go to my file. I'll click on that. Press on the address bar. Then I'll press enter. I'll get the output. Getting my point? So I'll go there. Now I'll open. I'll show you the output. Okay. Be patient. Patiently wait. Be patiently wait. Okay, I'll show you this output, you people. Yes, look at this. This output is visible to you people. This style will be applied on every paragraph. Welcome is there. Welcome you people. Nagpur. Yes, these are all in center. Yes or no? Yes. This output is visible to you people.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it, all of you. So here is I did only one modification. Here is what center I kept. Now you have to do it left, right, top, bottom. Or you have to be apply on your own at your site. Okay. Now I'll share this program with you people. You practice it, and I'll ask you in the next class. You have to be answer. This is the first one is what? Selector element is over. Next things we'll see upcoming classes. Maybe Monday onwards we'll see the rest of the things we'll complete. Okay. So now at your home, you do these all things left, right, top, bottom, and add some more data paragraph. You add your information and you want to keep your left side, right side, top, bottom. You do this one. Okay. At your level. Suppose if you get any doubt, suppose if you get any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Are you clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for attending all people. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Laptop पाठवला ना, sorry.